Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem when you're connecting to a Wi-Fi signal and it says some information changed since the last time you connected. We need additional information to complete the connection. So in order to fix this, I've got a solution for this, so make sure to stay along till the end of this video so you won't miss out any other steps. So let's get started. First open settings and then go over to network and internet. After that click on Wi-Fi and then click on manage known networks. Then search your Wi-Fi which is causing the trouble and right click on it and click on forget. After this, go over to your Wi-Fi settings and then reconnect your Wi-Fi again. Hopefully this will work for you. As you can see, it is connected for me as well. So yes, this is how you can fix your problem. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.